Hello friends, myself Pratikla. In iOS development there are multiple ways to develop UI. For example, using Storyboard, XIB or using code. So in this session I have demonstrated the developing of UI using custom code. I have already created source code for simple search git user. So you can see that here I have used search controller and simple table view, and on click of cell display the description of their user and their respective followers. And on back of see the previous screen like this. So I have created two view controller. In sample code I have used MVVM design pattern. Here you can see the two view controller, user list view controller here, and this is user detail view controller. Here in self these are these controller. I have used snapkit for make constraint of all properties. Here I have for this label I have used stack view controller. Same as on detail view I have also used snapkit for make constraint. This is follower list. For that I have used table view here. For local storage I have used core data here, core data manager and code data manager ns manage object classes. These two are services for fetch user list and fetch user detail list. Using this protocol fetch data, and here I have created one parser class, and using this parser protocol store data into local DB. This is simple UI using pure code. So that's it. For source code you can also visit my repository here. Here I have used git-api like user list, user detail list and follower list. In description I have put source code link. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video.